Arjun, just like any other kid, was naughty and used to play around. He from the very beginning had it for cricket. Even in his childhood, he used to play around the house, making his parents realize that they have given birth to a cricketer.
छोटा था तो ये बहुत शैतान था, बहुत ही चुलबुला, बहुत शैतान था। सारा दिन घर में तोड़ फोड़ करना, बैट बॉल लेके घूमते रहना, सारा दिन बैट इसका चलता था घर के अंदर। अभी भी रात को सोते सोते इसके हाथ घूमते रहते हैं बॉल की तरह, और चीखता रहेगा रात को रोज के मार दिया चौका मार दिया। मतलब पता नहीं, एकदम मेंटली और वैसे सारा टाइम बस क्रिकेट घूमता है इसके दिमाग में। सोते सोते भी ये दिमाग बस मार दिया।
Time management is the biggest challenge to master. Our champion has mastered the art and balances his academics and his sports really well. His father appreciates the balance he has always maintained between his studies and his cricket. Constant and consistent management is the road to success, and Arjun surely knows how to make his way.
I would credit Arjun for managing studies as well with cricket. He has not given us a chance to tell him that look, you must keep pace with your studies also, because these days without studies, just in case playing cricket and making a career out of cricket is 1 in a million shot. There's so many people playing. Really, luck has to support you, family has to support you, the associations have to support you. And then you might, with God's grace, you might play for India. This is his goal. But that is 1 in a million shot, as I told you. So something has to be there. He is good at studies. He got, about 85% marks in his 12 board. He has done really well in his first year BCom honors in Hansraj College. He's done really well in the college also. He manages, of course, one can't expect that he'll score 90s and 90s plus because he's giving so much time to cricket. But I'm happy because he's doing his part in studies and he's making it up there also.
नहीं लगता है, पर एंड में जाके ये फिर कर लेता है कॉम्प्रोमाइज़। एंड में जाके 15-20 दिन ये जो स्टडीज़ करता है फिर हार्ड, फिर इसके मार्क्स आ जाते हैं हमेशा अच्छे।
Nothing can stop the man with the right mental attitude from achieving his goal. Arjun is one example who, with his good behavior and positive attitude, achieved success. His grandfather and father are happy with Arjun's outlook.
You see, he is very much involved in cricket. So, otherwise everybody appreciates him. He's a very calm boy on the field, outside the field, with the teammates. Everybody loves him. They all love him. He is very, very lovable child. I have never heard any complaint from his coaches, from his captain or from his teammates. I have never heard. Though I meet all of them regularly, but nobody has complained about his behavior or anything.
He has been always very sober. This is one thing that my father says, that when a person plays a sport, then he doesn't have spare time for all those other things which an idle brain would do. So he has been into cricket. He's really dedicated. I feel that while playing sports, he has developed a good sober personality also. And he meets people, he meets the seniors, he knows how to talk to them. He is respectful to everybody. I'm happy with this also.
Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. It is accurate, and Arjun with his right attitude makes sure that everyone around him is comfortable. Quality of work can be expected only through dedication, enjoyment and hard work. A true champion is the one who has idols and also admires work, dedication and competence. Arjun is one such case. His coaches applaud the hard work and the dedication he puts in.
Dedication wise, this is the strongest one can have. This is the strongest a human being can. Like you said the dedication. Dedication wise, as far as I am coaching here. I am coaching here for the last 20 years, and in between that period, many national, many international players I have gone through with them and this thing. In dedication wise, he is not lacking any of these players. That is the highest level one can achieve.
अर्जुन हमारे पास था एटलीस्ट उसको 8 साल हो गए, क्योंकि वो जब जूनियर स्कूल था तब से हमारे पास से आता है, और नो डाउट उसकी डेडिकेशन आज उसको जहाँ तक लेकर गई है उसमें उसकी मेहनत का बहुत बड़ा रोल है, क्योंकि सुबह शाम दोनों टाइम प्रैक्टिस करना कोई छोटी बात नहीं.
Individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a team work. Arjun is the best teammate. Teamwork is the ability to work together towards a common vision.
As a team man, he is only for the team. Whenever I have something to convey to the team or to do any of this thing, I just convey a message to Arjun and he'll just combine everybody. He just coordinate with everybody. As a team man, he is the full team man.
टीममेट के लिए तो सबसे बढ़िया बात एक तो सबसे बढ़िया बात है, एक क्रिकेटर होने के साथ साथ एक अच्छा इंसान भी है, एक अच्छा लड़का भी है, जिससे कि एटलीस्ट क्या कि अपने जूनियर के साथ जब बात करता है तो बड़ा पोलाइटली और उनको बताना और ऐसे जिस तरीके से करना कि ये आप ऐसे कर सकते थे उसको, मतलब लाइक मैं एक चैंपियन वाला काम, जैसे कि एक अच्छा आदमी और अच्छा व्यक्ति रोल अदा करता है.
Champion is a perfect mix of inspiration and perspiration. Arjun found his inspiration in his father. He wants to live his father's dream and is working hard towards it. Inspiration is not just restricted to one person. Arjun also draws his inspiration from Adam Gilchrist, who is also endorsed by Arjun's favorite sports brand.
My inspiration is my dad. He also wanted to play for the country, so he couldn't because of his back. He had a back injury. He had slip disc, so that's why he couldn't play for the country. Now I want to fulfill his dream and I want to play for the country one day. My inspiration on field is Adam Gilchrist. I really like the way he keeps, and he also is endorsed by Puma, so even I am. So I like that also, that part. And I really like the way he took catches. On keeping on Shane Warne wasn't easy anytime. So I really like that, and the way he bats. Like, he's a very good batsman also. So I really look up to him.
Being in sports definitely helps a person to outperform himself. Cricket has just helped Arjun to take everything into his stride. He has become more confident, and this game has definitely given him the correct exposure.
Yes, of course. Cricket has changed him a lot. As I told you, he meets